Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Kelly May. She's the KEHA State Advisor. Good morning, Kelly.
Good morning, Kristi. Thanks for having me on.
Thank you for being with us, Kelly. And this week we are celebrating Homemakers for KEHA Week. But Kelly, first, can you tell us what is KEHA?
The Kentucky Extension Homemakers Association is a statewide organization that is known for so many things, but the group is so much more than cookie bakers and quilt makers. I know we have some very talented individuals who do a number of amazing things. The group overall is a volunteer organization dedicated to improving families and communities in Kentucky. It's an organization developed in cooperation with the Kentucky Extension Service, and Homemakers work with family and consumer science agents, just like you, to provide educational programming and coordinate community activities. We have nearly 11,000 members statewide.
Yes, Kelly, we do. And here in Warren County, we currently have 106 Warren County homemakers, and the homemakers across the state truly do so much for the communities. Kelly, what else does KEHA do?
This organization is founded on learning, leading, and serving, and our homemakers do all three of those things so well. First off, with the learning, the homemaker clubs incorporate lessons into their regular meetings and other events. And these lessons are based on research data provided through the University of Kentucky. So research-based practical demonstrations, discussions on a wide range of topics. There's always something new to learn, and our members are doing so. Leading is done through leadership development trainings for members. This includes our new Leadership Academy, which several of our members have gone through. And we have many leaders at the local, county, state, and even national levels with some of the groups that KEHA is affiliated with. And as far as serving, KEHA does an amazing job of providing service to the communities. Homemakers meet local needs every day. Members participate in a variety of volunteer service activities. One example is at the start of COVID, when personal protective equipment was in such short supply. In some of our communities, the hospitals or local medical centers reached out directly to the homemaker groups and asked for masks to be provided, and in some cases, even caps and surgical gowns. So these homemakers stepped up in a huge way and made lots of these things that were so needed at the time. And that's just one example of a way that homemakers can reach out, be a part of the community, and fulfill those needs.
It really was so amazing to see how these homemakers took action in such a time of need. Kelly, what other projects does KEHA focus on?
KEHA members also participate in and promote regular ovarian cancer screening. So it's more than just fundraising. Some of our clubs will gather up members and even non-members and do a carpool or even organize a bus and take them to a site that will do this cancer screening to help prevent ovarian cancer from claiming the lives of their friends and family and neighbors.
If someone is watching, Kelly, how can they get involved in the homemakers?
KEHA welcomes all members. It's not just women, it's not just retirees, it's anyone. To find out about clubs and activities near you, such as clubs in Warren County, contact your county office for UK Cooperative Extension Service. Find out more about KEHA online and on Facebook.
Thank you so much for being with us, Kelly. If you are a homemaker, be sure to upload some pictures of you in your clubs this week and use the hashtags KEHA Week or hashtag Adventure KEHA. We would love to see your pictures. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.